So if you tell someone something is going to be at their house today, even if you get it to them the next day, it's still true, because then it is getting them to them today. Do you understand what I mean? Because it's at the time that it gets there, it is today. So yesterday, it was today. So if you scroll forwards a couple of days, and it's today, tomorrow, and yesterday. So no matter what, it's still gonna be today. It's always today. Understand what I mean? If not, then so what?
Oh, well, hello there. Didn't see you there. Not really. Tegan's not liking that. We are on our way back from southern Utah, down from Fab Rats. We were enlightening their lives, brightening their days, and lighting up their videos. Yeah, that was a good one. Lighting up their videos. That's a good one. So we lit their videos up, we enlightened their shop, brightened their day, and we think we're funny. At least I do, so I'm good with it. Oh, alakaki, oh, alakakakakoo. Oh! You're on. Hi. Tegan doesn't like this.
Not much better than the other one.
No, but I'm having fun. Bacon, egg, and cheese croissant from where? It's called Kneaders.
Kneaders.
I don't know how to read or spell.
Yeah, that's because you're still going to public school and those two are going to private.
Hey!
Should I go like this and show off my jacket, my Sabin Shopworks?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Aaron. We've got Sabin. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, shh. It's only okay if I screw up. No, just kidding. And then we got her giggling in the background. You're trying hard not to, aren't you? Okay.
Hi, my name is Mason. Yeah, we've had a lot of fun in the shop and stuff. My dad has so many projects going on currently, it's hard to count. But it takes a while to get them all done. So, yeah. See ya. Bye.
Second, and now it's recording.
Okay.
Yeah, so is there going to be that your thumbnail?
Yes.
Now you look like you're picking your nose. Just kidding. Boy, I'm going to get high on this brake cleaner in here.
Videos, right?
Wow, I'm so happy.
It as a creamer.
It smells like.
It smells horrible. Doesn't smell great.
Gotta get it open first. Cool. Now I guess this channel's changed from a let's build this truck to what does that smell like? Okay, let's see if I dare do this one.
Which that one should be similar, it's just pigmented.
It is similar, it is. But Tegan, smell this and tell me what it smells like. Come over here in the frame.
I don't want to. Oh.
I dropped this bottle. I thought it. I knocked it over a couple of times and broke the lid a little bit. Yeah. What does it smell like, though?
I'll get in trouble if I use the correct words.
And start recording immediately.
Boom.
Oh, I'm so glad that you have this footage of me now.
Oh, I am too. Of you and Zach, so we can use it on your wedding.
Aww.
Whoever you get married to, it'll be kind of uncomfortable.
That'd be so awkward.
Just some random dude.
Oh, that totally might end up being online.
Alright, just doing a little... cut that out.
After getting ready.
Oh, I thought you already had it on. Yeah, my dad's making me wash my arms up because of this.
Looks so weird. Take your shirt off.
It's already close enough.
Take your shirt off.
Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video for you for some reason. I don't know what you're doing today, and I don't really, yeah, I don't know what we're doing. So have fun figuring out what we're doing. All right, people.
No, I already did that.
Time for us to show you stuff. Because we were working for a while to get this stuff.
An hour
So that
and
we
a
could
half.
put this stuff on other stuff. And I like stuff and staying stuff.
Stop. You made me lick it.
Fine, adjust that, okay?
Okay.
Should I do a little dance for you? No?
Yeah, no.
No?
No dance.
Sure, I can't do that. I can't do that. Crank it, baby. Crank it.
There you go.
More. I think it's cute. That should be good. Hey, you like cranking it? So Mason just showed me how these tape measures are defective. Mason, you want to show people?
So look, right here, it says 25 feet. 25 feet.
That's
So-
a short 25 feet.
Yeah.
But then, so that's Milwaukee. This is the DeWalt, okay? And how far in is that one? This one's 1.5 inches in.
This one
So
is
it's 25 feet. Let me
3
see.
inches.
Let me see. Bend over. Oh, no, it's 3 1/8.
Oh,
Check that out. See some tape measure guys really compensating. Ouch. What do you think?
Maybe.
Maybe what?
Maybe you're right.
Yeah. What's he gonna do for the camera?
And goodbye.
Okay, I guess that's it. You guys have a good night.
What's up, Dip?
Seriously.
Beep beep. You're recording. Beep beep. Unrecording. Beep beep. Recording again. Beep beep. Unrecording. Beep beep. Recording again.
So I wanted to put a support across right here because you can see this area here. I'm worried about it kind of swinging back and forth and damaging. Son! Oh, I screwed up. I really royally screwed up. I royally screwed up. I did those the same direction. Those are supposed to be 180 degrees. 90 degrees. Those are supposed to be 90 degrees. And that's one heck of a weld I put on there. So I royally screwed up. Wow. That bites. Because that's one heck of a weld.